Greetings everyone, this is John Edgar Hoover, the greatest man. Today's date is February 21st, 2019, and it is Thursday. I'm making my report for February 20th, 2019, Wednesday. On February 20th, 2019, on Wednesday, I spent time on Vine Street in Hollywood, California, near Trader Joe's. I was sitting down doing a trajectory reconstruction for the Central Intelligence Agency, update regarding the impersonators that I've confronted with the RICO Act that's on file between 2012 and 2019. All of the trajectory reconstruction was on Rob November 6, 2018 to November 13, 2018 by the Murder Squad Department, the Security Department, and the Law Enforcement Department, and Legal Department, and Information Technology Department, and Mail Department, and the street team of the Racketeer Influence Corp Organized Crime Ring that I reported to the Federal Bureau of Investigations, Police, Internal Affairs, and United States Military and the Central Intelligence Agency. So I pretty much worked on the book software applications for the e-reader that I own in Airsoft software company, which is 33 of the e-reader book applications, that actual books that you'll read when you open up the e-reader. The trajectory reconstruction was just the titles for the books. Is what I did on Wednesday, 2019, and that concludes the behind the scenes